Another malakan yam kana diala content barwanya lingwa sama kanwar online TV channel. Bana jome bana jaling ka queen kware te ka jom mashallah tere which ka so Sudan mugurno bana nywa kel ka jalera me. Anda mandu ni shang kwas nyang malaya nong rice ni kanwar online TV channel and wale shanga jandang ro with dius ka pai baro ron kina dangro with jandang ro with dius bana jome bana jaling kel ka do badana de kono linkaja. Ka jo mishalat gwase me goro de na ideal de goro dien palping ka lieng de ano tie ke tishalat ke kuin kwari ki ga do bana ba kwar ba ka kwang ja jo me do mishalat ke jen go chi South Sudan police kana ne ko kien ala ne tin kon tin ala je security ka rewika South Sudan kana international community no shika nyur ko and queen quarry e baje la didi she can write a more she can a gor and wo don't be can last let mukwala gor no ben nyaga yakel ka jan lere me manje dil ngaje no en tama to continent me e tama goro de tin kon lat ko de keling no be kon di atin gay ko kon ke do badana let kirma yadi de ga jen wo be queen kwar baje lat ke jabana je cholingan wana men ngay kon di alan wo doctor yek ma char ngude re ti jen gwase dani chaji yen ke je chu manata manguda kana ne loñ no en nyuru sina nyur ke jamore which kasa Sudan National Police Service kananeti kokien she can nyur ke joint election operation center assessment report mi kana non ke queen quarman balat ke 2026 re which kasa Sudan Ramadan and La Roch, Major General Sadiq Ismail, chairperson of the Security Electoral Committee, Chalado Nene, Shinei Guadialan Contin de Queen Quarry, Ki de na they can vote in again she can assessment that she can a lot. Again she can work all the 10 states, which South Sudan code in a more de jalat. He said the evaluation aimed to ensure police station and system were operational, including repairing communication, radios, and assessing premises readiness. Kane chicken duptin konti manab communicate ke chicken gari aleka chet ke jamutin kon manaren linga ke kano ba police station to one ba las let ko all the 10 state ko mu ko inquire we chop ba chu teriek motuok chicken jo mo chicken alat. Sidigi say joint operation center would be established in all states to coordinate daily election report. Kane biken gotten kon tin ba queen kwar ba latin biken ka moch ka police station ti batin kon tilat ka rodien ka shen queen kware ba ka kule ba je kule gwe ken ne kontin bi queen kware gwe kanetin kontin shari'a le ka shit ka police ni jane kan de kan ga some challenges te je kan ka ka do badar biken queen kware biken lat ka je ko ngai kana gwan wone ne en queen kware shi easy queen kware gore letan wante balat re wika South Sudan shi o chala no ba queen kware ba jela take some challenges te chikan kalat gwasmene. We have some challenges, but we have trained officers across all states and are waiting specialized training that require funding, he said. We have revisited our 2023 budget due to the depreciation of the South Sudanese pound and in collaboration with the Election Commission finalize an updated budget. Ka jom jika lat gwasame ken bi nyo ka munyur ken ka do badana dong de ken gwadi ala kontin ba queen kwar ba je latin gwada danan bina ba na ba ka kwantin ajani ko ngai ken ngai ne no ba te karik tun wan butok tin tinai police ne tun wan officer tun wan tinai ka jako ba ka nge ki te ka training antama ko biken gwadi ala konin dong de rik der tok tin biken ka cover ka jom chikana kula gwasame kanena na antama buglo jo ka budget me share ala kanige 2023 budget daran ba police ba kul mo special right corner ba yo money tin ba queen kwar ba kul lat keje ko queen kwar shale lor ba queen kwar lat keje ka gwasa dan en ci yo chigratan mitala yo to share li sa kuma so sudan tele queen kwar midelat jo lat kana gwasa me kanit ko te tun wanta dakake kanit buka budget buka na ala kanit ko ko yo wanta mala South Sudanese pound la ko woke pin ke chiga talot kan gorgano de funding de jalat de yo de kari aleka de ne di alakon tin chuch de ka gorno ba ka kam yotin kon tin bikalat bikana kulalat ka jehre wika South Sudan dung yoni e jalare ko re wika South Sudan aka jom chikan lat gwasa me de yana ling akene nene aken challenge tin kon jengne ka akene nene akene tele ne tele building. The biggest challenge is the lack of building to house radios, computers and other communication equipment. We must ensure facilities are ready before deploying resources. Akene gwadan kon and take it in akene tele duel ki tele radio on line communication ka gwada kon de ko latin ka kana tele duel de ba computer ba ka latin tin de election ki queen kwar de je kula gor ka je chikan jo mo chikan lat kana entam tin na ko ba kan tin kon tin dak ba ka laslet ki ba ka gor re wich ka so Sudan ka jo ran chikan lat men gor kana long ka jen gwa same kana gor kano ba election ba jalat ka domi gwa ko betel korm betokten ka jo dana chikan lat. Elections are national responsibility and all stakeholders must contribute. We need a budget for training, travel, and security audit. Acting Interior Minister Mangar Bong praised the police leadership for working under financial constraint ahead of the poll. Chakan dia la tesloa jalong kamanda na chikanan la no shigoro dia le ka ngode kan kuin kwar ken ben ngai kono no kan en kuin kwar ba jalat ke chan dangro bakal ka pai wero ron kina dangro jen dangro bakale longo den tame dundo chatiak ngai kon mandan lero dare wika South Sudan a police niti ngwa lunga jen gwasam gwi kanano bi election ki queen kwar baje la da gwa tele reng botokten no dundo gwata me ka jom shalat eno ne Police Chief of Staff for the UN mission in South Sudan say momentum was building in election security training. Our goal is to enhance professionalism through joint training with National Police Trainer, I6A. This strengthens trust and operational coordination. I commend the Inspector General for his leadership and partnership. Larka Ramadan and Chidola Meshi, Cholarka Jamal, Ki Larka Jetus, Luaj, a long Canadian content that can kill, Coach, can go no, can inquire, can get Jagamaniam. Man dodian gwasame la Dr. Macha ta da rete jian awa yere election bako shaja delat ko ramkel mi mo shi mal shi tanke 2018 revitalized peace agreement chala no enwo baje luny awa loin de crucial ki very important ko jen der kula participate me ganga je duel yena awa in election da lat ke betele jalot ke kuje mo chala no Dr. Machar baje di luny ko big gap ki mandanan dak baje kula jako betwana kono be Dr. Machar bete rete jen ka jeno let kuma kirma yadi no ba kuin kwara baje let wa nyu the jen wo ne me telamal mi bigwa ki betel incredible election me balat ke 2026 ka kuje mo gor ke jeno de Dr. Machar de jede luny rete jen gwasa danan teten jome jen jawdana shalat ko de yente ka ngai kamanda le rode police ne rewe ke South Sudan a wachi goren realeka en go biken ko inquiry biken alat ka duoba dan en chiken gor keje ku karodin realeka ke jen gwasa me ko check bu mamrun ko tetun wana long tetel changna men metken ka ji yune mistin konti la police ni en go ba ko inquiry ba jalat ko lat ken me ko de netin kon tente ka yune mis kenete content ke refugees bane they can vote mich gwada mo mich chop dundo me kan Dr. Machar kano konlun self ke me yadit awatele domi ba ko inquiry ba jalat keje jo me agenda nan gore no de nyoga yekel anda manduni shan ko nyak mala right ke ye kan online TV channel en wala shan ndangre di ke pay baro ron kin dangro urjen dangro dish abiyata kamal bye bye